How's this for a gift idea? Hey, welcome to Ray's Toolbox. I had a 4x4 that we had left over. I thought the best way to use it up maybe was cut it up and make some gifts out of it. First thing I did was use the chop saw, cut it up in pieces, 3.5, 4-inch lengths. A couple of them might be 2 inches. Then I drew an X on the top of them to find the center. I used the drill press to drill a hole completely through the block itself. The drill bit was a little bit bigger than the candle that I used. The candles that I used to make these had the drips on them, so I had to have a bigger drill bit than what it actually took to get the candle up through the hole there. So I used the drill bit a little bit bigger than that, than what I needed. Drilled the holes out. Next step was to take a router and route a groove on the underside, just a little passageway for the electric cord to come through. You can find the plastic candles about any place in the stores, especially around Christmas time. So I took the bandsaw and cut the candles to length. When I glued the wood into the pieces, I did find a piece of decorative, this one's a wooden star on this one. Have some smaller ones that came with it, so I just put those on the front. So kind of dress these up a little bit, whichever way you want. Sometimes that glue that we use will foam up, if you will, when it cures. And on this particular candle, I have a couple of them like this, but it foams up around and kind of makes it look like the wax of the candle has came on down and collected. So instead of cutting that off, I just went ahead and stained it the same color stain as the rest of it. Golden oak's what I hit it with, and this is what it looks like. After everything was dry, I took some golden oak and stained the wood and the candle and everything. I think it kind of tied everything together pretty nice the way it looks. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an idea for a gift that you can give to people. Hit that like button and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.